Toronto, and look at what the impact has done. Now today the sun is shining very bright, as you can see, and everything is melting. So we've got puddles, and more puddles everywhere. There's puddles, so it's very icy, lots of puddles, very dangerous to walk, especially with those in walkers, those in wheelchairs, the elderly, people that just have a hard time to walk in ice, especially on the sidewalks when they're soaking, and there's still a bunch of ice there. So right now, what we're going to do is we're going to simply try to do our very best, because it looks like Mother Nature has just sprung. And the sun is shining again. And there's a chemtrail in the sky above me. Signing off right now with human conditioning. What is the life story and the historical meaning of human conditioning? Well, human conditioning is like this tree. From the beginning of time, human conditioning has conditioned their conscious mind to be greedy, self-centered, destructive, demoralizing. I mean, there is untruthful, uncanny, pessimistic, optimistic, and the list goes on and on and on and on, and it never, ever stops. But you know what? There is a light at the end of the tunnel, and people have to stop wearing masks, stop going in black caves, and stop being scared of the light. Signing off right now with Sonia Fuderman and another human nature, human conditioning of the mind. Now, we're not going into the subconscious mind right now, because everything has been conditioned with most people on the conscious mind. And the conscious mind is the mind of greed, hate, murder, killings, psychology, narcissistic behavior, just the worst stuff in the world, brutal murder, rape, pedophilia. I mean, the list goes on and on. But through nature, we have wood, and through nature, we have the historical meaning of the word love. Love is an evolutionary word, and if you spell it backwards and you add a U and a T and an I and an O-N, love is the evolution of the entire universe. How are we going to get back to that? You have to repair your subconscious mind. But it's all in our conscious mind, which is the daily use of our mind. Signing off right now with another mind-tailed, mind-thinking, mind administration, soulful mining of the human behavioral destructive patterns of humans, human nature.